Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit some of your TikTok settings on TikTok PC. Select your profile page and select settings, and here you can delete your account, make your account private, like so. You can also view like your blocked accounts here. You can download your data. You can also enable notifications on your PC if you'd like. And here are some interactions that you can adjust. Maybe you want to delete like these like notification. For instance, you only want notifications if you have likes and comments, not followers and mentions. You can adjust that. You can also change the app language here, like the website language here if you'd like. So select it, and as you can see, the language will change. You can then change the language back if you'd like. That is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!